everyone, welcome to Badgeskins. In this short video, we'll be doing a generic Badgeskin overlay install. In this case, we'll be working on the Civic Gen 10 Type R. And pretty well, it's like any other install. What you want to do is you want to clean the area really well. And then what you want to do is take the alcohol wipe and you gotta clean off the surface of the Civic badge. And then you gotta take a microfiber cloth and you gotta make sure it's nice and dry. And simply all I have to do is take the badgeskin off of the backing with the masking and line it up on top of the badge, and then just kind of eyeball it, and then you just squeegee it down with your finger or press it down. One other thing is that in this scenario, we just kind of pop the trunk up a little bit so it's a better angle to work with. But here you go, we just take the eye and we just kind of put on the second letter, and pretty well it's a repeat process for the rest of the letters. So as you can see, this is a pretty basic install. Just kind of overlap, center, and press down. So it actually changes up the look of the badge quite significantly. It gives it a nice, classier look. And then here we're going to finish it off with the Type R, and we're just going to have a gloss black overlay for the R part here. Same process, we're just going to clean it with alcohol wipe and then microfiber cloth dry, and then just going to peel it off, lay it on top, center it the best you can, and then you just go press down and squeegee it on. Just take your finger and rub it over the R. Just go over the whole letter and just make sure that you give it a bit of a pressure and you squeegee everything down. And it's very simple. Just like that, you have a different look on your R badge. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Thanks again. Enjoy.